In front of me is Honorbad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Biometrics and Password. Now hit Face Recognition. Enter your current login method and click on Add Facial Profile at the bottom. Now you can click on Enable Raise to Wake to enable or disable this option and hit Get Started. Following that, you need to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then you can name it however you want to and tap on Done. So now when I go back, turn off my screen and switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!